Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add horizontal line in Google Docs. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Docs, and for example, I'm going to add horizontal line to this document. First of all, we need to select the position we want to add horizontal line, and I'm just going to add the horizontal line right here and go to the insert menu and select horizontal line. And as you can see guys, that the horizontal line has been added to my document, but unfortunately we cannot customize the line height and the line color. If you want to customize the line height, I recommend you to go back to the insert and select drawing, and then we can click on new. And here you will be able to draw the horizontal line manually. You can select line right here and then draw the horizontal line just like so, and you can customize the line weight right here. I'm just going to make it thicker, and if you want to change the color, you can change it right here. And after that, you're going to you can click on save and close. And now the horizontal line has been added to my document. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add horizontal line to our document in Google Docs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.